Hey everyone, thanks for visiting Do It Yourself Always. I'm Vaishali and today's video is about home decor using best out of waste. The first DIY is birds on branch wall decor. For this you need a rectangle piece of cardboard, check the measurements, draw branches and birds on the cardboard like this. This is how the design is going to look. Now you need to cut the design using paper cutter. Just be careful while using sharp objects. Cut the outlines and remove the extra cardboard. This way you will get such cutting. You need to paint this using black acrylic color. Make sure you paint the edges also, because when you look from the sides, the cardboard should not be visible. Use double-sided tape to stick this on wall. And here you go. This is how this birds on branch wall sticker will look. Now you don't need to spend money on buying such wall stickers. Let's jump into the second DIY. It's a A4 size poster frame. One of my subscribers asked me to make DIY on frame so that she can hang her A4 size paintings on it. So for this you need a newspaper. Take any paintbrush or pencil and roll the paper on it like this. Secure the ends with glue. So this is my A4 size drawing book and I'm going to use this for measurements. Mark the corners of the book on pipe and add 5 centimeters both sides. You are going to need 2 such pipes with same measurements. Now cut the pipes from outer markings. You are going to need such hard sheet. Here mark 1 centimeter both the sides from inner marking on pipe. Put your drawing book or A4 size paper on this sheet and cut the sheet 1 centimeter bigger than the book. Now stick these pipes both the sides on sheet like this. This way you will get the basic frame. Now paint the pipes with black acrylic color. Now we need to make the hanging for this poster frame. You need jute thread or use any yarn. Wrap the thread on pipe like this and then this hanging is ready. Now you just need to stick your painting or poster on it using masking tape at the back side. This is one of my doodle art piece. And the simple yet elegant and best out of waste poster frame is now ready. And this is how it's going to look. My third DIY is a planter that I'm going to make with milk carton and toothpicks. So you are going to need such carton. Take a toothpick and make markings on carton like this. Cut the base of this carton using paper cutter. This way you will get such base. Now use toothpicks to cover around the box. I am using hot glue gun here, but you can use any glue to stick these toothpicks on carton. If you want, you can keep this planter like this. But I'm gonna paint this with white acrylic color. And this planter is now ready. Now take a square piece of thermocol and you need some artificial grass. And poke these grasses on this thermocol. Then insert it in the planter and it's done. This DIY home decor piece is ready. So I hope these DIYs are helpful for your home decor. Do let me know by your comments. And if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new to this channel, and I'll be back with my next DIY project. Till then, take care.